Healthcare organizations are investing heavily in AI. Dashboards are smarter, alerts are faster, pattern detection is more advanced than ever. Yet many clinics are discovering a surprising reality. AI is identifying problems, but those problems are still not getting solved. Why? Because detecting a pattern and understanding what that pattern means are two completely different things. And that's the AI pattern detection layer modern healthcare clinics are missing. Imagine an AI system reviewing millions of data points across claims, patient behavior, denials, scheduling trends, and reimbursement patterns. The system flags 47 different anomalies and opportunities. Sounds impressive, right? But then nothing happens. No intervention, no workflow changes, no strategic action. The issue isn't that AI failed. The issue is that nobody knows which patterns actually matter, which are noise, and which require immediate action. Pattern detection without interpretation creates information overload rather than operational improvement. Today's predictive systems generate alerts constantly: patient no-show risks, potential claim denials, authorization delays, reimbursement anomalies. But here's the challenge. Most healthcare teams were never trained to interpret predictive AI outputs. An alert alone doesn't create value. Understanding the clinical, operational, and financial implications behind that alert does. Without that understanding, predictive intelligence often becomes another notification that gets ignored. And eventually, teams lose trust in the system entirely. This is where many organizations develop a false sense of confidence. They assume that because AI identified a pattern, they understand the problem. But pattern detection without clinical context can be misleading. AI can identify correlations. It can identify recurring behaviors. It can identify unusual trends. But it cannot always determine causation. AI finds the what. Humans must uncover the why behind the what. And in healthcare, that distinction matters enormously because decisions affect patients, providers, compliance, and revenue. There's another critical limitation. AI is trained on historical data, but healthcare is constantly changing. Payer policies evolve, reimbursement rules shift, documentation requirements change, new denial strategies emerge. AI may recognize established patterns, but it can be blind to emerging payer behavior that hasn't yet appeared in sufficient historical data. This is where experienced healthcare professionals become essential. They connect market realities, regulatory changes, and operational knowledge to the signals AI detects. They close the gap between data and action. The future of healthcare isn't AI replacing human expertise. It's AI amplifying human expertise. AI excels at finding signals hidden in vast amounts of data. Humans excel at understanding context, making judgments, and driving action. The clinics that succeed won't be the ones with the most alerts. They'll be the ones that combine intelligent pattern detection with experienced human interpretation. Because AI finds the patterns, people create the outcomes. AI can identify patterns. The right expertise turns those patterns into results. Discover how Talisman Solutions helps healthcare organizations bridge the gap between AI insights and real-world outcomes. Visit talismansolutions.com to learn more.